Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect LinkedIn to your n8n. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to log into our n8n account. And once logged in, we're going to go to the workflow that we want to work on. After that, we're going to add the first step and then we're going to search for LinkedIn. Click on it and then click on create a post. Now, n8n will require you to add a new credential. We're going to make a new credential, click on standard, then you can click on these options, then connect my account. After that, it will ask you to connect your LinkedIn account to n8n. Once done, you should see this prompt right here which says account connected. Then close it. Then you're going to select a resource, operation, host as, person name or ID, text, and media category. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!